Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So you've just booted up your Kali Linux machine, all ready to dive into some serious work, but instead of that familiar dragon logo, you're greeted with nothing, just a black screen, maybe with a blinking cursor mocking you from the corner. It's one of the most frustrating issues, but don't worry, it's usually fixable. And today I'm going to walk you through the most common solutions, step by step. Let's get that system back up and running. First things first, let's try the simplest fix. When you're stuck on that black screen, press Ctrl plus Alt F2 or F3. This will try to switch you to a different virtual console, which is basically a text-based login screen. If you see a login prompt, you're in luck. This means the core of your system is running, but the graphical interface, your desktop environment, has failed to start. Go ahead and log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, the first command to run is sudo apt update followed by sudo apt full upgrade. Why? This updates all your packages. A lot of the time, a black screen is caused by a broken package or a bad update, especially related to your display drivers. Running a full upgrade can often patch up whatever went wrong. After the upgrade is complete, it is a good idea to also run sudo apt automove. Why? To clean up any old, unnecessary packages. Once all that is done, simply type reboot and press enter, cross your fingers, and with a bit of luck, your desktop will load up perfectly. Still looking at a black screen after the reboot? No problem, let's move on to method 2, reconfiguring your display manager. The display manager is the program that starts your graphical login screen and desktop. For most Kali users, that's Lighten, from that same text console we accessed earlier, remember? Ctrl plus Alt plus F to dash login and run this command. Sudo dpk jira configure Lighten. A blue configuration screen might pop up. If it does, just make sure Lighten is selected and hit OK. This command essentially resets the display manager's configuration, which can fix a lot of startup issues. After it finishes, reboot your system again by typing reboot and see if that did the trick. If you're still stuck, it's time to investigate the graphics drivers. This is a very common culprit, especially if you have an NVIDIA or AMD graphics card. From the text console, we need to figure out what graphics card you have. Type speed grep A2 IVGA. This command will show you information about your video card and the driver it's currently using. If you have an NVIDIA card, for example, the official NVIDIA drivers can sometimes cause issues after a kernel update. Let's try reinstalling the desktop environment itself. It sounds drastic, but it's pretty straightforward. In the console, type sudo apt install reinstall Kali desktop xfce. If you're using a different desktop environment like KD or GNOME, just replace xfce with DE or GNOME. This command will reinstall all the core components of your graphical interface. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it's complete, reboot one more time. For a huge number of users, this is the magic fix that finally resolves the black screen problem. So, to recap, first, try a full system update and upgrade from the text console. Second, reconfigure your display manager. And third, check your graphics drivers and consider reinstalling your desktop environment. One of these methods should get you back in business. It's important to remember to stay calm when issues like this pop up. Linux can have a learning curve, but solving these problems is part of the journey and makes you a more capable user. I really hope this tutorial helped you fix your Kali Linux black screen issue. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you have any other questions or a different method that worked for you, share it in the comments below to help others. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.